I might have gone shopping. So I have a haul. Yes, it's a haul. It's a haul. I went to my local fabric store to buy a few things I needed for projects I have in mind. And the first two are these cottons. They are the same but in different colors. I want to make a blouse with this one. I want to make a blouse with the white one that goes with the green trousers I just made. Have a look. And a skirt I have planned for. And then for that skirt, because it's a chiffon, I needed something to go as lining. So I bought the same one in a taupey color. And then I bought a plastic tablecloth. This is for a cover I want to make for the sewing machine. I really like what people do, the designs they make. I've seen caravans and funny stuff like that, but I also like seeing the washing machine, seeing the sewing machine. So I thought this would look good because it's protected and I get to see it. And to go with this, I bought some bias tape in black for the edges. I don't know if I'll use it, if it will sew right with this, but we'll see. And with the rest, I'm going to make a bag to store all the, to carry all the beach toys. I think it will look really nice with all the toys inside. Then I went in the, I didn't go in, but almost, the remnant box. You always have to have a look in the remnant box. And they had this really nice cotton. It's a bit see-through. It looks like curtain stuff. And it has these nice details. But it also has these nice, let me see if I find them. It has ink stains. So I have to wash it, see if they come out, and after that, if they don't, see how much fabric is wasted. So I haven't got a design yet until I do all that. And then they also had this. This is a viscose and it's really pretty. I think it's amazing. It's a nice grey color. It was cheaper because it was the end of the roll. So I got more than a meter for the price of a meter. And I think it would be lovely for a long skirt, but I don't have any events to go to with this. So this will stay in my drawer until further notice, but I love it. The thing is that when you go and have a look, you can't leave it there, can you? You have to take it. Then at the haberdashery I got some elastic bands. You always need elastic, so it's good to have. And then I got these two. I got an invisible zipper in black and a ribbon in black. And I wanted this for a Blake Lively dress. It's amazing. It's really nice and I have a nice fabric, but then I thought of a different idea for that fabric, but it doesn't matter because I'll make that dress sooner or later. And then I go to a posh event because I don't know where I will go with that dress. And then I bought this that I'm going to need for a dress I'm going to make. I call it the French dress because it looks like a summery in France sort of dress. I already have the fabric and it's really pretty. I think it's going to turn out really nicely. And then I bought this foot for the machine, and it's one that brings this little curly thing, and it's for chiffon stuff, and it's to make these thin hems. Apparently it folds and then you don't need to do much more. So that's it. I hope you like it. Subscribe so you don't miss any of these projects. Bye!